The job is now in awaiting dispatch. When you are ready to deliver the product and you need a delivery note, click on the product name again and just simply print your delivery note. Now the delivery note has been printed, the job has moved into your awaiting invoice form. When you are ready to print your invoice, simply click on the product name, move the job into awaiting payment. The warning message asks you, reminds you that you have not yet printed the invoice. So click no to open the invoice form to print your invoice. Enter in your invoice date, your invoice number, enter any additional invoice notes. If you have a unique tax rate you want to add, you can simply click on the Add Tax Rate button and add your new tax rate. Let's now apply a tax rate to this new invoice. And now preview. We have now simply produced a quotation, sent the quotation to the customer, made the job issued, then into work in progress, where we offered the shop floor job instructions. We then printed the delivery note, and then we printed the invoice, all in a matter of a couple of minutes. As you can see, Descode Professional simplifies the way you run the business. All your outstanding pending work will be listed in the job issued form. All your current work in progress will be listed in the work in progress form. Let's now navigate back to the quotation form. To search any field in the form, first edit, click the inquiry number if it's the inquiry number you want to search for, and then simply click the binoculars. Click on the Notes button and enter in any notes with relation to inquiry number 2. To produce a letter button, to produce a letter. To produce a purchase order, click on the Purchase button, click on New. Your suppliers list, click on the supplier and simply add in a new item, one new purchase, the date required and the price, and click on the Print button. To add new employees, click the Employees button, add all their company information, their personal information, and right click to load their picture. On inquiry number 2, if we navigate to the labour form, we can add new entries to inquiry number 2, the hours that was spent on the job. If we now visit the job costing form, we can see the actual material cost against the quoted material cost, the quoted labour cost against the actual labour cost, the total quotation cost and the total actual cost, which will give you a profit or loss. To add images, navigate to the images form, right click and load your new image. To relink the back-end tables, click the Link Tables button. Click the Invoice List form. To view all your profit and loss, click the Profit and Loss form. To view all your customer total turnover, view the Turnover form, which calculates all the work carried out for Dresscode Professional. To add a credit payment, click the Add Credit Payment button and simply add a credit payment. Click on the Edit, and now you've added a credit payment. Open the credit payments list. In the customer form, you can add the credit limit for each customer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short tutorial. We hope we have convinced you that Dresscode Professional is a very simple database software which would benefit your business. So we shall see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.